Don't buy a house in 2024, and here's why. House prices have exceeded expectations and increased by 1.7% in 2023, according to the latest Halifax data. The mortgage lender reported that average prices rose for the third month in a row, increasing by 1.1% in December alone. A typical house in the UK now costs £287,105, which is £4,800 higher than it was in December 2022, but still £7,000 below the peak recorded in the summer of 2022. Kim Kinnaird, director of Halifax Mortgages, attributes the increase to a shortage of homes on the market. She said, "Although it is encouraging that we have seen growth in the last 3 months of the year, this was preceded by a drop in property prices for 6 consecutive months from April to September. The growth we are seeing is probably due to a shortage of real estate on the market rather than strong buyer demand. However, as mortgage rates continue to decline, we may see an increase in consumer confidence in the coming months." Halifax predicts that house prices will fall by an average of 2.4% in 2024. The company is sticking to the forecast despite these latest figures. Kinnaird added, "As we move towards 2024, the real estate market will continue to reflect broader economic uncertainty, and buyers and sellers are likely to exercise natural caution when considering moving. Although wage growth is now above inflation, which helps lower the cost of living for some and improves housing affordability, interest rates are likely to remain elevated as long as inflation remains markedly above the Bank of England's target level. Our latest forecast suggests that house prices may fall by 2.4% over the next year, although, as in recent years, the uncertainty of the forecast remains high, given the current economic climate. However, while many forecasts suggest that we may see a drop in house prices this year, some commentators now claim that a different story will play out in 2024. Mortgage lenders are lowering rates on a daily basis. NatWest, First Direct, TSB and Empowered Mortgages yesterday announced lower mortgage rates. This followed yesterday's announcement by HSBC, as well as the cuts at Halifax and Gen H at the beginning of the year. Rates from Lloyds Bank, Leeds Building Society, Bluestone Mortgages, Hodge and Lendinvest Mortgages have also been reduced this year. To date, there are a total of 10 fixed-rate deals on the market that offer rates below 4%. Anthony Codeling, head of European Housing and Building Materials at investment bank RBC Capital Markets, said, "Reports of a falling housing market in the UK are somewhat exaggerated. Most, including us, thought that house prices would fall during 2023, and most think they will fall in 2024, but not us." With wages rising, inflation falling, mortgage rates falling, and growing talk of election-related housing stimulus packages, we expect house prices to rise in 2024. Our pessimism was misplaced in 2023, and we don't want to make the same mistake twice.